Hello, today I want to show you about the shader smooth function in Blender 4.2. If we press the right button of the mouse, we can see shade smooth, shade auto smooth, and shade flat. And if we press the first one, it's a very traditional one. This box will be smoothed like this. It looks weird. If we press this shade flat, it will be flat. But if we choose this one, shade auto smooth, it seems nothing happened, but we come here, modify, we will see this, and if we change the angle like 90, it will be smoothed. It will smooth the model by angle. If we use a monkey, and we choose shade auto smooth, and see, if I change the angle, it will be smoothed according to the angle between the face. And you can see that if I click here, ignore sharpness, it doesn't change anything. Because if we choose from here, shade auto smooth, it will shade smooth, then it will add this modifier. So this is why this function didn't work. So if we click here, we get rid of this modifier. Now we can see it is smoothed. So that's why I think it's called a checkbox or something, and that didn't work. And we delete here. The auto smooth function is very good because I always make product animation, industrial product animation. Now I will show you why it's useful. This is a STL file, and I will import STL, and I will change the scale like this. And if we check the model, you can see that there is some weird shadows like this. So how to get rid of this? In the last versions, it can't be get rid of. So I always use Cinema 4D to make the animations, to make them like the product rendering, product animation. I prefer Cinema 4D, but now Blender can solve this problem. Just click this shade auto smooth. See, it's all solved. It's perfect. So today I will show you how to make this modifier step by step to understand it well. Because if we go to here, if we check this modifier, you see many nodes. It seems complicated the first time I see this, but it's not complicated. It's just built like this. It's built like this for a reason. So let's begin our tutorial today to rebuild this. And we will need a model. I use monkey. So press new and create a basic geometry node. Here I will use set shade smooth. Yeah, this node is very important. So if we come to edge, it's not smooth. If we come to face, it's smooth. And come to edge, we can see face here. There will be sharp face in this like, I don't know how to call this, a spreadsheet, in the spreadsheet. Sometimes here in the edge there will be like a sharper edge attribute here. But sometimes I think it's a bug. Sometimes you can see that, sometimes you can't. Then I will explain the principle. The Blender will determine which face to be smoothed by the edge. It will choose the edge first, and when we have choose the edge, it will give the choose the edge the attribute smooth. So that's why we need the first choose edge, the second choose face. So the set shader smooth here, choose edge, the selection here, and the selection here. The attribute for the value for that is 1. So everything is chosen. And so the most important for us to build is to how to choose the edge. In most cases, we use the angle. Use this node. Sometimes you can use other method like the length of the edge or something else. Just depends on you. It's a very highly customizable. And the edge here, unsigned angle, I will explain to you that it's the smallest angle between the two faces. And the signed angle is like the face has that direction. It has normal, so it has the like positive face and a negative face. So when the face come together, the angle between them may be positive or negative, so there will be signed angle. So normally we use unsigned angle. It's very enough for us. So we need to compare node, and we need to use less than. If the angle is less than a value, it will be chosen. So here I will link to group input and change the name angle, and we subtype we will choose angle, and then we connect it to shader smooth. Let's check the effect. So it's working very good. And this is okay for the normal geometry like this. It's not smoothed, but if we play with the smoothed geometry, let's build a smoothed monkey and move the monkey. If it's smoothed like this, so I'm lazy. We need to rename this, and this okay, just use one. It's very obvious for us to choose. If we choose this, we can't choose. We need to press new, and then we can choose. So if we change the angle, it will be smoothed, but it's not what we want. Check if we mute these functions, it will be smoothed. So we don't want that. We want it decrease the smoothness by this angle. So we need to add nodes, like we need to judge if smooth, and here shader smooth, we need it here to judge if it's smooth, and we need to use boolean mass and yes, and connect here. So here we need to connect if face is smooth. If it's smooth, so we can change it like this. And here selection, and we need to judge if edge smooth, because the logic is like if the edge is smooth, then it will smooth. So we need to judge this, and we can see like this. It's correct effect. And we need a boolean here and a boolean here, because we want to check if we want it to be smoothed. We change it to all, and we will group input here and here, and this boolean I will change the name like this. So if wanted, so here it's all smoothed. So no matter if we want this, it's all smoothed. So it doesn't matter. When we come to here, okay, we need to save it. When we come to the first monkey, so if we don't want it to be smooth, so it's not working, right? Because here we can see the first model, the edge is not smoothed, the face is not smoothed. Because the edge is not smoothed, so the face is not smoothed, and we didn't want it to be smoothed. So here the value count here is 0, so nothing is selected. So we change the angle, it won't work. So if we click if we want it, so it will be like this. So so the effect is like this. The node system is like this. It's very simple. This I may rename it to select edge, and this here yes, it's a select edge too. Select edge by angle. This is select edge by like edge sharpness. No, just select edge, I think. So they are just always select edge, just a different function. And I don't know if I explained that very well. And this system is very customizable. So this is today's tutorial, and I will keep doing tutorials in the future. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.